All right, we're back for example 5. Let's look at this application. It says a tourist accidentally drops her lip balm off the Golden Gate Bridge. The bridge is 220 feet from the water of the bay. The height of the lip balm is given by the polynomial -16 t squared plus 220, where t is the time in seconds. How far above the water will the lip balm be after 3 seconds? Okay, so this is the height of the lip balm, all right? So we're just going to rewrite that, -16 t squared plus 220, and we want to find after the time is 3 seconds. So that just means that t is equal to 3, and we just substitute that in there, so we end up with -16 times 3 squared, right, plus 220. We know that 3 squared, we got to do order of operations, so we got to do exponents first, right? Remember order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we got to do these exponents. 3 squared is 9, so we have -16 times 9. I got to figure that out over here. 16 times 9, 6 times 9 is 54. Write the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. So that ends up, a negative times a positive is a negative, so 144 plus 220. This is a negative, this is a positive. When the signs are different, you got to take the difference. So I'm going to find the difference between 220 and 144. Gotta borrow. 6, that's a 1, and 7. So the answer is 76. This answer, the 220 is bigger than 144, so our answer is going to be positive. So it would be 76 feet above the water. That's how high the lip balm would be after 3 seconds. Perfect. So I want you to try this problem. Check it out, example 5. Here's my friend the pause dragon. Remind you to pause your device. When you get done, press play and we'll talk about it together. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we're back. Let's see how you did. This application says, what if another firework with a 5-second fuse is launched from the same platform at a speed of 400 feet per second? Its height is given by this algebraic, or this polynomial, right? -16 t squared plus 400 t plus 6. How high will this firework be when it explodes? So the fuse is 5 seconds, which means the time is it's gonna explode after 5 seconds, right? So we're gonna write this polynomial, -16 t squared plus 400 t plus 6, and the time is equal to 5. Then we just substitute that 5 in everywhere we see a t. So -16, there's a t, it's gonna be 5 squared plus 400 times 5 plus 6. Okay, so order of operations says we have to do that exponent first. 5 squared is the same thing as 5 times 5, which is 25. So we have -16 times 25 plus 400 times 5. It's always nice when there's a bunch of zeros because you can basically just go 5 times 4, which is 20, and then add 2 zeros to it. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then we have those 2 zeros. So that means 400 times 5 is 2,000. Okay, now I just need to figure this out. I'm going to go over here, 16 times 25. 5 times 6 is 30. Write the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Add the 0 for the tens place. 2 times 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 400. A negative times a positive is a negative. That's kind of nice because -400 or plus 2,000 would just be, that would be 1,600 plus 6. So the answer would be 6. And what are we in? Are we in feet? Does it say feet? Feet per second. Yes, feet. So it explodes when it's 1,606 feet in the air. So if you got that one right, awesome, awesome. You did a wonderful job, and I'll see you in the next lesson.